Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're someone like me who struggles with frizz or wants that soft salon style blowout at home, then today's video is perfect for you. I'm super excited to be collaborating with Aimike, a brand dedicated to high quality hair care and styling tools. And today I'll be showing you exactly how to use their round brush for a beautiful blowout. Let's get into it. As you can see, I have two brushes from Ionic. This is the Detangling brush which I'll use to prep my hair, and this beauty right here is the star of today's video, the Ionic round brush. This is the Roselux series blowout brush featuring advanced nano silver and ion tech for healthier, shinier hair. It has wavy, heat-resistant nylon bristles and a ceramic-coated aluminium barrel that ensures faster drying with minimal hair damage, making styling easier than ever. The seamless ergonomic handle is designed for a comfortable, snag-free grip, and it even comes with a built-in sectioning pin for effortless hair parting. Plus, it's available in multiple sizes to suit every hair type. I also got 4 hair clips with it. Let's start the process. My hair is freshly washed and about 70% dry. That's the ideal stage for blowouts. First, I'm using the Ionic detangling brush to prep my hair. It's really gentle, no tugging, no breakage, and helps reduce knots before we style. Look how smoothly it works. Honestly, I didn't expect it to work that well. Next, section your hair into manageable layers and clip them. I usually go with 3 to 4 sections. This makes styling with the round brush a lot easier and cleaner. Now let's start using the round brush. Take a small section, place the brush under your hair near the roots and start blow drying while slowly pulling the brush down. Always point your dryer downward to avoid frizz. If you want more volume, roll the brush slightly under and hold at the root for a second before gliding down. To curl the ends, roll the brush inwards and hold while drying for a few seconds. See how it gives this soft curve? I also tested if it gets stuck in my hair while curling, and I am amazed that it unwrapped so smoothly. And look at that curl. You can already see the difference. One side looks polished, smooth and shiny thanks to the ceramic barrel that distributes heat evenly. I repeated the same technique across each section, lift, glide and curl at the ends. And here's the final result. Look at that smoothness and volume. It honestly looks like I just came from a salon, but I did this right at home. If you want to get your hands on these brushes from Ionic, I've linked them below. Whether you are a beginner or a pro at styling, this round brush is definitely a must-have. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more beginner-friendly hairstyling tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.